A running stitch, also called a straight stitch, is one of the most basic hand sewing stitches you can sew. The running stitch moves in one forward direction, over and under the fabric. This means that when the stitches are sewn evenly, it will look the same on the right and wrong sides of the fabric. While a basting stitch is temporary and designed to be removed, the running stitch is intended to be permanent and is often clearly visible rather than hidden away. As shown later in the video, simple changes can be made to alter the look of the stitch for different effects. The running stitch is also used to gather or ease fabric. To sew a running stitch, you can start by anchoring the thread with a small knot. Make a knot in the end of the thread tail. Feed the needle through from the back so the knot sits on the wrong side of the fabric to secure the thread. For a flatter finish, you can use a small back stitch, which we will cover in a later video. If you are right-handed, work from right to left across the fabric. Put the needle in the fabric to make a 3mm stitch. Pass the needle under the fabric to make a 3mm gap. Over, under, over, under. Repeat the pattern to create a line of running stitches. Your left hand does the work of manipulating the fabric to guide the stitch positions. Use the thumbnail on your left hand to push the fabric into place for the needle point to enter the fabric. Your middle finger on your left hand will guide the needle in and out of the fabric from the back. How hard you pull on the thread will affect the thread tension. If your tension is too loose, the thread will lift above the fabric. If you pull too tightly, the fabric will begin to pucker. Smooth the fabric between your thumb and index finger to release the tension. Sew to the end of the row, push your needle through to the back and tie a knot to finish on the wrong side of the fabric. Trim excess thread tails to about 2 to 3mm. This is the method for running stitch from How to Start Sewing exercise 4.03. The running stitch is not the most robust stitch, so is best used for decoration rather than for garment seams. It naturally creates a slight ripple in the fabric and can be difficult to keep perfectly even. This hand-sewn look is part of its charm, perfect for a decorative stitched look or layering patches for repairs. Stitches can be made more evenly by marking a line with chalk first. By feeding multiple stitches on the needle at a time, you can check for consistent sized stitches before pulling the needle through. You can vary the look of the running stitch by using different stitch lengths, thicker top stitching thread, or using contrast coloured threads.